This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 33 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, in which we extend the F sequence of major and minor scales and arpeggios to 3 octaves. The worksheet for this lesson contains background information, illustrations of fingerings and extended exercises. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. Top F is the third register note derived from the fingerings for bottom C sharp and second register G sharp. You are already very familiar with the scale of F major, which is generally considered to be the easiest scale on the clarinet. A note in the worksheet explains the historical background for this, along with some explanation about transposing instruments. Here are the scale and arpeggio of F major for 3 octaves. Having extended the scale and arpeggio of F major to 3 octaves, you convert the F major arpeggio to F minor. Remember that the arpeggio of F minor will need to begin on the left-hand fingering for F, as the next note is A flat. You will then build the 2 forms of minor scale from there, just as you have with previous sequences. There is an alternative fingering for top F, which you may choose to use in the arpeggios, which is referred to as the long F. It is powerful and easy to produce, but care is needed to ensure the tone and volume match adjacent notes. Exercise 59 helps you build the harmonic minor. Here it is. Exercise 60 deals with the melodic minor. Here it is. So here is the F sequence for 3 octaves. Sequences now remain to be learnt, and all are quite demanding, so you should ensure you can play everything in practice round 33 confidently before you move on to lesson 34.